Hello, good morning student. This is our new topic, magnetic field due to a current through a circular loop. Okay, suppose this is a circular loop. Circular loop. We already have studied about the current carrying through a straight wire or through a straight conducting wire. Okay, now we will see the magnetic field due to a current through a circular loop. Okay, here the current is flowing in a circular loop like this. Okay, this is a circular loop. Okay, so we will see how the magnetic field is affected by the circular loop, and what are the directions of the magnetic field lines, whether it is whether the density of the field lines are stronger and whether the density of the field lines are weaker. Okay, so see this one, you can see this. Okay, magnetic field lines are always form a circular loop. Okay, so here also magnetic field lines are form the circular loop. Okay, since it is not given in this diagram, but magnetic field lines are always form a circular loop. Okay, now see, the magnetic field lines due to a circular coil is shown in the given figure. Okay, these are the magnetic field lines due to a circular coil. At every point on a current carrying circular loop, the magnetic field is in the form of concentric circle around it. Okay, so at every point the magnetic field lines are in the form of concentric circle around a circular loop where the current is flow. Okay, this is the direction of the current. Now see the next one, as we move away from it. Okay, as we move away, suppose we move away from this circular loop, so as we move away from it, the circles would become larger and larger. Okay, see, here the circle is smaller. Okay, smaller, then it is larger as compared to this, then again large and larger. Okay, so as we move away from it, the circles would become larger and larger when we reach the center of the loop. Okay, so when we reach the center of the loop, the field appear to be a straight line. So see, this is the edge of the loop and this is the circle of the loop. So when we reach the circle of the loop, then the field line become a straight line. Okay, so now we will see the magnetic field produced by a current carrying circular wire at a given point is. Okay, the magnetic field produced by a current carrying circular wire is based on which factor, or is based on which quantity, whether it will increase, whether it will decrease, we will see here. Okay, now see the first point, the magnetic field is directly proportional to the amount of current. Okay, same as for the straight line. In the current, in the magnetic field produced by a straight current carrying conductor, it is also applicable for this. Okay, B is directly proportional to I. Now see the next one, directly proportional to the number of turns of the wire. Okay, the number of turns of the wire, if the number of turns will increases in the wire, then the magnetic field will increase there. Okay, we will see it later in our next topic, that is solenoid. Okay, we will see this property in our next topic, solenoid. What is the property? The magnetic field is directly proportional to the number of turns denoted by N of the wire. Okay, if you increase the number of turns in a current carrying circular loop, then the magnetic field will increasing here. This is because the current in each turn is in the same direction. Okay, because the current is in the same direction, therefore the field due to this turn added up. Okay, if the current will be in the same direction, then the value of the field is added here. Now see the next one, thus the strength of the magnetic field produced by a current carrying circular loop can be increased by. Okay, what do you mean by these two, equation number 1 and equation number 2? It means that if you increase the current of the wire, then magnetic field will increases, and if you increase the number of turns, then also magnetic field will increases. Now see, increasing the number of turns of the coil, then magnetic field will increase in a current carrying circular coil, and second one, increasing the current flowing through the coil. If you increase the current flowing through the coil, then the magnetic field will increases in a current carrying circular coil. Okay, so see our next topic, magnetic field due to a current in a solenoid. Okay, so first we have to know what is this, what is solenoid. Okay, so see definition of the solenoid. A solenoid is defined as a coil consisting of a large number of circular turns of insulated copper wire. Why here the large number of circular turns is in the solenoid, in the construction of solenoid? Because if you increase the number of turns, then the magnetic field will increases. Okay, so if B is directly proportional to N, then if you need the strong magnetic field, then you have to increase the number of turns. That's why a solenoid is having number of so many number of turns. Okay, now see, these turns are wrapped closely to form a cylinder. Okay, and if you wrap these turns, then it will be like a cylinder. Okay, so this is your solenoid. See this diagram, this is your solenoid. Okay, see how many number of turns are present here. Okay, so this is your solenoid, and if you connect this solenoid is made from some conducting materials. Okay, having the insulating medium. So these, the first and the last turn of this solenoid is connected from a battery. Okay, and here it is a key. See this diagram, this is your battery and this is your key K. Okay, so battery have two terminal, positive and negative terminal. So current is flowing from positive terminal to the negative terminal. Okay, so see here, from this point the current will flow. Okay, and current will goes from each and every turns here. Okay, and in that case the value of current will be increases here. Okay, and what is this? These are the magnetic field lines. Okay, so see, magnetic field lines are always form a concentric circle, and if you go far away from the edges, so at the center you will find a, so if you go far away from this edge, then at the center the magnetic field lines like a straight line. Okay, so in this direction this circle will be increases. Okay, and at the center the magnetic field lines look like a straight line. Okay, now see the next one. So the field lines around a current carrying solenoid are similar to that produced by a bar magnet. Okay, it is similar, the magnetic field lines are similar that produced by a bar magnet. This means that a current carrying solenoid behave as if it has north pole and south pole. Okay, so if this solenoid is behave like a bar magnet, then what bar magnet is having? A north pole and a south pole. So this solenoid also having the north and the south pole. Okay, see the next one, the field lines inside the solenoid are parallel to each other. Okay, so inside the solenoid, see these lines, these magnetic field lines are inside the solenoid, and these are like a parallel lines. Okay, now see the last line, thus the strength of the magnetic field is the same at all the points inside the solenoid. Okay, so here the magnetic field inside the solenoid is same for all the points. So this line is very important, that the strength of the magnetic field is same at all the points inside the solenoid. Okay, so up to here we have completed now. Thank you so much.